Breaking news, you don't need to cross rivers or bridges to get a face model. Or perhaps you've been trying to get a fashion model of the right size. Or probably you've been looking for a brown skin girl, or probably someone for your hair brand, or a model for those creative concepts they fit for your brand. Well, I think you get the gist already. We've got the perfect size, the perfect face, the perfect skin tone, and perhaps you need a model for your skincare brand. No worries, at Smartex Modeling Agency, we provide stunning models and beautiful faces, and here we also have modest models. So even if you sell male wears, or you're a beautician, or you do microblading, or skincare, or you're a photographer, or a fashion brand, we've got you covered. So before you scroll, do you need a model or models? Our global team of models are ready for you. You can reach us by sending an ATM at Smartex Modeling Agency on any social media platform. Also do well to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell. Also drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video.